There was an old lady who swallowed a... She swallows a lot of things. It's very silly. My favorite way to read this series is by doing motions with the silly things, and we're actually going to do that in a few minutes. This board is self-explanatory. You click on the books take you to a read aloud about that book or a read aloud of that book. And the only other thing on this board, so I normally link you to some other things sometimes, but the only other thing on this board is about the author. So if you go click down here on the little fly, because you know, the series started with, there was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. So if you click on the fly, it's going to take you to a meet and greet with Lucille Calandro, who is the author of this series. And I think she also does read aloud for you on the meet and greet, but you can go to the website and learn more about her. Right now, let's read one together. So this one is, there was an old lady who swallowed a chick. And because I love to do the motions with, motions or sounds, is one or the other. But because I love to do that, we're actually going to do that with the book today. Cool? So here's the cover of our book. There was an old lady who swallowed a chick, and it is like Easterish themed, but I don't really think it matters because they're fun no matter what, right? Whether it's like a holiday theme or just regular, it's still fun to do and read. So even though it's not Easter right now, we are going to chick it. Peep. That's a clue. There was an old lady who swallowed a chick. Okay, so whenever I say she swallowed the chick, you're going to go beep, because that's what chicks do. They beep, 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 beep. But you're only going to do one peep. So there was an old lady who swallowed a chick. Beep. I don't know why she swallowed that chick, but she didn't get sick. So every time I say sick, you're going to go, There was an old lady who swallowed some straw. So whenever I say straw, we're going to rub our hands together like this, because it kind of makes it sound like if a straw was moving back and forth in between your hands. I don't know. That's what I like to do for straw. Now, I'm not going to be able to pick my hands up each time because I'm going to be holding the book. So I'm going to actually rub on my leg like that. And hopefully you will remember to rub your hands together. There was an old lady who swallowed some straw. The chick looked in awe as she swallowed the straw. She swallowed the straw to cover the chick. Beep. I don't know why she swallowed the chick, but she didn't get sick. There was an old lady who swallowed an egg. Everybody go, crack. And I like to act like I'm hitting the egg to crack it on a bowl. Crack. She didn't beg to swallow the egg. She swallowed the egg to jazz up the straw. She swallowed the straw to cover the chick. Beep. I don't know why she swallowed the chick, but she didn't get sick. There was an old lady who swallowed some candy. Ever say, yum. So I'm saying yum, and I'm rubbing my belly. Yum. She knew the candy would come in handy. She swallowed the candy. Yum. To sweeten the egg. Crack. She swallowed the egg to jazz up the straw. She swallowed the straw to cover the chick. Beep. Yeah, I don't know why she swallowed the chick, but she didn't get sick. There was an old lady who swallowed a basket. I'll tell you the motion for this down for this one in just a second. A tisket, a tasket, a brightly colored basket. So there is a rhyme. A tisket, a tasket, a brightly colored basket. So we're actually not going to do the whole rhyme. We're just going to go a tisket, a tasket every time we hear there was an old lady who swallowed a basket. A tisket, a tasket. She swallowed the basket. A tisket, a tasket. To carry the candy. Yum. She swallowed the candy to sweeten the egg. Crack. She swallowed the egg to jazz up the straw. She swallowed the straw to cover the chick. Peep. I don't know why she swallowed the chick, but she didn't get sick. There was an old lady who swallowed a bow. Now, I really like bows, and I'm not really sure what to do with bows, so we're just going to go, aw, because I like bows, and I put them in my little girl's hair because I think they look sweet. So every time we say bow, we're going to go, aw. Oh, what a show when she swallowed that bow. She swallowed the bow. Ah. To tie on the basket, a tisket, a tasket. She swallowed the basket to carry the candy. Yum! She swallowed the candy to sweeten the egg. Crack! She swallowed the egg to jazz up the straw. She swallowed the straw to cover the chick. Peep! I don't know why she swallowed the chick, but she didn't get sick. There was an old lady who started to hop. Bling, bling. That's what we're going to do for that one. She jumped up and down and just wouldn't stop. Whoops! As she skipped down the trail on a day that was sunny, guess who she met? Whoa! The Easter Bunny! Happy Easter. So I'm giggling because obviously she ate all of these things to make an Easter basket and then she, pukes it back up? Maybe that's not very nice to say. Regurgitates? Vomit? There's no nice way. It comes out. It all comes out. But it doesn't look slimy. Is that a basket that you would like to take home? Do you want to take that basket with you? Are you going to eat the candy? Probably not. But it's a fun book and I loved doing the motions with you. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.